Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtiwada. In this video, we will learn how to use useNavigate. That means till now we have targeted only by using links and navigating between the links. But in this, we will learn how to navigate by using useNavigate hook, which is given by React Router DOM. So here, whenever you want to navigate after performing certain logic, then you cannot use HTML elements or React elements to navigate. We have to use a mechanism where you can navigate from one page to another page inside a function. So let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. So here we have a login and a navbar. In the navbar already we were using NavLink to navigate from one page to another page. Now what I want to do is I want to create a button. On clicking on that button, it has to call a method, and that method will allow you to move from one component to another component or one page to another page. How we can do that? So for that sake, let me create a button, and this button is nothing but navigate to register. So I want to navigate to the register, and I have a class name called as btn hyphen primary, and save this. Now on clicking on this, I want to call a method. So that is nothing but navigate to register, and this is an arrow function. And on clicking on this particular button, I want to call that method. On click, I want to call this navigate to register. This is my method. Now what this method should do is it should console the content. That means I'm doing some set of logic. So let me consider that logic as clicked, and then immediately it has to navigate. So how we can use this navigation? I don't have any links to direct navigation. I have to perform some logic, and then I have to navigate. My logic performing is done. Now what I want to do is I want to navigate. To navigate, we will use something called as use navigate hook, which is given by React Router DOM, and this will return a variable. Let me use a variable for this called as navigate. So this navigate will help us to navigate from one place to another place. Navigate is a method which will receive the property called as to. So whenever you want to navigate from one page to another page, the route, actual route where you want to move, that route can be configured here. So I want to go with register. I want to go towards register. So let me save this. Let's try for register. Let me go here and let me go into login. In the login, you have something called as navigate to register. Let me click this. It navigated to register. Let me go into login, click again. It went to register. In the same way, you can achieve the same logic inside your register. And if you see the console, inspect, refresh, and then let me zoom out. So now let me go into login, click on register. So you can see clicked. And when I click on login, again it came back. Now let me implement the same logic for our register. So let me go into register, and I'll create the same button, copy this and put it over here. Now this is having a name called as navigate to login, and then navigate to login method. Let me create a method login and copy this method. Let me define that method const navigate to login, which is an arrow function, and this has to move to login. To move into login, we can use something called as use navigate hook, and this will return you a navigate variable. We can give any of the variable here, and this navigate is a function, so pass login. So now I am able to navigate from one place to another place by using this navigate method. Let me go here, navigate to register, navigate to login. So by using a button click, we are able to navigate from one place to another place. So that's how you can use your register or login by using a use navigate. You can navigate from one page to another page by using use navigate. The only difference is whenever you want to navigate after performing certain logic or by using a button clicks, then you can use this navigate method. That is nothing but use navigate hook. Whenever you want to navigate from one page to another page directly by using a link, then you can use link tag. Whenever you want to navigate from one page to another page by using a navigation bar or active links, then you can use NavLink. So this is the difference between these three to navigate from one page to another page. That's about use navigate hook in React Router DOM. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.